How's it going, everybody? I'm the BTC Reaper. My goal on this channel is to teach you how to reap the rewards of trading, whether the price is going up or down. Over on total for the daily, we do look like we are making a bit of a bounce, so that is positive for the daily. Just watch if we can maintain above this Fibonacci level, right around this 843. Momentum is pushing up, VWAP is gaining strength, and the money flow is in the red, but VWAP continues to favor bullish. We could see that reverse. Over on the 1 hour, the only thing I'd say to watch out for is we do have a pretty straight channel here. Actually, on the total, this is not a straight channel. Actually, depends if you want to mix the wicks and bodies. If you do mix the wicks and bodies, we do have a bit of a straight channel, and this could be a rising channel. And remember, rising channels are a bearish pattern that do break you down. So I would watch for another touch to the top. If we do get rejection after hitting another touch to the top, then I would watch for a push to the downside where we could see our altcoin start to push down again. VWAP does want to round, momentum is rounding away, stochastic is starting to curl, and RSI is pulling back. Just watch, we could be making a slightly lower low in the micro trend, but if we look at a bigger trend, this could be a higher low that we would form from this pattern in comparison to here with some higher highs, so we could still carve out a bullish pattern if we see continued bullish strength and we make a continued bounce there if we saw that breakdown. So just because we see a little bit of a pullback doesn't necessarily mean it'd be the end of the world. Over on Bitcoin futures, we do have two gaps to the upside now, so I would exercise caution. Remember, they do have an 80% chance to fill, so there's an 80% chance we could see a rejection here. We are hitting that value area high, so if we continue seeing green candles, we can continue to push forward. Our stochastic does want to push up, RSI is gaining strength, VWAP is pushing up, momentum is gaining strength, and money flow does want to push forward. So we do look like we're gaining momentum on the 1 day. Over on the 1 hour, we did make a retest of that value area high. We do have a higher low with some higher highs. I would just watch out. Again, this could be a rising channel, and rising channels do tend to break you down. We'll cover that on Bitcoin. VWAP does want to push up, stochastic is starting to round, momentum is rounding, and money flow is in the green. But with that VWAP starting to round, this could be a lower high, so I would watch for a lower or consistent low. If we see a lower or consistent low after making a lower high, bears would have control, momentum would start to weaken, and money flow would start to follow, which would start to give us an environment where we could pull back. So over on Bitcoin, very similar to futures, we made bounce. VWAP is in bullish territory, but we do have the potential to form a lower high here. Momentum does want to push up. Money flow is trying to break through, so we do look like we have some bullish signs. But on the 1 hour, we do have that rising channel that could break us right around that 85K level, somewhere near 85, 84K, depending on where we got rejection. So I would watch for another push forward to around maybe that 92K where the bottom of our channel is. We could kind of meet that influx zone, hit a rejection, and then continue down from there. I would watch as that VWAP does have a lower high right now, so that VWAP does need to make a bounce and continue forward with a higher high. If we don't see a higher high with a higher low here, then momentum will start to weaken, money flow will pull back, and we will see a sell-off. Thank you for watching tonight's video. I hope you have a great night. Hit the like and subscribe, and join us in the Discord.